Hi, superstars! Happy to see you online. In this moment, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 29 divided by 29 over 42, then times 42. First we do this multiplication. 29 over 42 times 42. We can easily cancel this 42 and this 42. So here we have this 29 only, and 29 divided by 29 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 29 divided by 29 over 42. To do this division, write down the 29, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 42 over 29. And here again we have times 42. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 29 and this 29, which gives 42. And here again we have times 42. So here we have this 42 times 42, which equals 1764. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fun.